Afoyorini ajul donkaneno yup milowange mochwiny kumbeti kore ania Sunday akumo tin chia beach nendo piario medremia bongwen mwaka alibario pirwangwen. Nodiro magdor lokom malweny megwaka ber marum lwaki Gulu City gamione mon gamente madito medli moken me kongen tit matek wake lwenyi kum jamarite balaka ber marum wa kamet gwaka ber manu beru mai pore. Nodiro magi gumogo kon lok megi Dr. Jema Paul magaram tima men gwaka lwaki kenete lo kompito yen kidong bene gwaka yen matine waket chek maramo kon dor ka ber marum lwaki oberio mo pore. Ajoch pawan luo television ni David Magere Kelly report matut makibiardoge ilokum aloha meping.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Joma gineno lokom kaber marum wai Gulu City kimero limo kene metich maber.
Wakaro budget makaro million 100. Ter nongi mwaka no wamini gi budget mo feo mo.
Bulu mai Kalake district guwaro dwani kom ngoma kimiti gamente otim meilo kero pagin.
There are so many projects and programs which are being run by the government, and of course expecting now.
Kadong Lumemba meyot moko chik melobo Uganda gudwoko ten nyamula komtama kemiano dok chik mao budneno lokomnyum kidong ket pakeny.
But now that we seem to agree, both men and women, that men can kill women, women can kill men, domestic violence is real, I think it's high time we brought that bill here.
Afoyorini ajul donkaneno yup milowange mochwiny kumbeti kore ania Sunday akumo tin chia beach nendo piario medremia bongwen mwaka alibario pirwangwen. Nodiro magdor lokom malweny megwaka ber marum lwaki Gulu City gamione mon gamente madito medli moken me kongen tit matek wake lwenyi kum jamarite balaka ber marum wa kamet gwaka ber manu beru mai pore. Nodiro magi gumogo kon lok megi Dr. Jema Paul magaram tima men gwaka lwaki kenete lo kompito yen kidong bene gwaka yen matine waket chek maramo kon dor ka ber marum lwaki oberio mo pore. Ajoch pawan luo television ni David Magere Kelly report matut makibiardoge ilokum aloha meping.
Lodero magidoro lok makwako kaberu marum wa Gulu City puod gimero ni welchentelim mamete petimo jami mogo makonyo lwenyi kum kaberu marum wa omiero omede ameda malo. Lodero magi kono gimoko ni timo jami makwako lwenyi kum kaberu marum wa mero lim madira dada Michael Kari local government nyo government mete dero omergu ket ye komgi gen getigi nani lwenyi kom gwa kaberu murum wa beru tich mamero lim mai kin tich mo kene mero pero yadi mapola ta ger wa tulu ben maleng tutwale boma choko yugi madiu boma matek tutwal welo jami metich potwale local government duchu gwako ature ki alumalum pak cities mapapad ikin mo kene mapola ta John Charles Luwa matie lago yope Gulu City nyoni city plana kono moko kit ma Gulu City Council o kero kerelem ge pe kaberu murumu wa imwagalim
Chi ya yom ni I budget me mwaka mo karne badong tika tuma yan diki majane ki budget matika bino machaka ni ada chiel di mapera ma alivario piera rio ya mwen wa prioritizing nyo wa kero ni kaberu murum wa pierde wakar budget makaro million 100. Ter nongi mwaka no wamini gi budget mo feo mo muken million 100 pier be muken million 100 but this time wachwali wa million 100. Enene ubichero lok me beautification kai bene nano areas wa ka wan mo beri o main office kama me beri yani no wa cha ko jwer ne o wa karo yeri mo pangi nyingi ma ana environment office ngeyo magiti ka dom be ya dada kai chero bene pe stream channel any ikin city council kidong main town kacha business center me town wacha ko yupo kadano work ke ngineno iger madeng ki pero yeri maduong mapato ar kwano wele
luwa kono beno moko neno pa Gulu City kom gwa ka ber murumu wa
machalo Gulu City wano na pere tek mada kian ka beru money wa ko ben mabe no je murumu wa no ka beru je murumu wa machalo yeri chalo pi chalo dago no mi ko gwa mabe chi machalo Gulu City patamo ne kon ket gen ma pere tek department and environment no manoyo ka beru murumu wa kidong landscaping kidong generally natural resources department where ki lock face me Gulu City
ki yung chel kono o jazi juraj matila dero ilokom kaberu murumu wa kono moko kit mapera takwere ne pero yenti gina chel tutwala yen moko machon mete kwaro.
So because we are talking about the shea nut tree and shea nut processing, this actually combines all the elements, enterprise development, rural development, and conservation as well. I actually asked Sharon this morning, so an average tree, how many kilos of shea nuts you can harvest every year? And you said 45 kilos, right? So when I look at it, one tree can live about 300 years. Yes. And maybe, let's say you can harvest 200 years. Every year you are harvesting those shea nut trees. So that would give you, I calculated, 33 million shillings of income from one tree. So that is compared to maybe, I don't know, a few 100,000 when you get it from charcoal.
Mo magok miu kodi wenyo agency mom environment. Mauti atipwe gimi green in Gulu City.
Atwala pia wano jomo mati yukonyo wa kikodi. Hata wiyapo MP Ladit Charles Unen, father, umeyo kodi mogo, umeyo ki organization kodi mogo. Chikodi niki pia rawenkwene, Gulu City kanyi. So kodi nino kimeyo, chiwa lego ni...
Taramali, wipo.
We are don't people about ke me kodi mabe. Seedlings mabe jadada. A father man o me ke organization makulone diara ta organization. Chidom ko po kan ko bin ko kan o perro. Che lego ne kan ngatumo mero patane ko do gola wate tuolo. A cholbe wa ne chia chel petemo gimo. Ka o tora we ko tichu ber mabe. Che lego ne kan ngatumo tie makero patane ko do wan wati agonya. Chuka joy memorandum understanding. Pian don lo weekend kana bedong gamete ko rawti mo ne kene.
Inoni Gulu City Council ge gamente mapapad magitigi yu pil don city kono gitigi tich matima mapapad maikina ye menene ge gwago city mabea dada tutwale city mayugi lok mekwan yugi diyo gi matek tutwal machalo Gulu City ikinji muken machalo perature gi yubu piyon bed maleng ento gen koki lok me perop melim aye diyo teje pilok angea magiyar malach Iwan Luo TV David Magere.
Monto magiti kabero itagota to kabero matipa icho sub-county Gulu district gitige gen mitakano Mogoma Bay magibitiwe komchuma rego magater bargen kuna dot mekamente mitadare Gulu district ayo miyo pegen magiti kinchar wakitaka de wilo dio kenete wilo diyan kidong kwere diang mafu waku awa kichane monto magiti gen makar gen miya dek da kabiri chara chilo kushwa lage bot la tela mekan silme Gulu district machung pilwak mai pa icho wakikon gen kitakno yome ile malo mechago berke yomo metimo genatima Ismail Jacob Jones berkalupo kolokman kangonen report committee
ikara me yupman monto mukene guber ki we me foj matek total yunge gamu chuma man Rose Okera won kompa dul ma gor ka chel monto magiberia to Hill Parish Ipaicho Sub-County ite dul gi maklone Waribu Chan Women's Group wajoni dongitia tera meti kichuma mogoman mape tutwan
chuma ni mego ayu fibi oneno pega pa monto ma no wapenye wa wor kwedi ka chil I group o chako neno pega ni pega tie o me eno keli wa chuma no be konyo wa me chulo tiene gang kwan chuma no be konyo wa umier wa nong gin makwom charo diang wa ko konyo wa kifu chuma no umier yele mate ka no chuma ni lo ba kwanyo mi chingwa me pero lo tiene wa mati chingwa ni chuma me lo bari e che kum chuma ni chuma no kelwa 24 mo bile kinwa hallelujah
Okera owajo ki wanlu TV ni neno kitie meti kichuma man mekela laga kwa game kontie ki monto makar mia dek kulo mon mokene mabene gen ko bine yup man guno tek tutwan mekano yom twin game
no wati ko matere el ko be ker wada ngini do ro be tie dong met sera nyim ki chulu tia wa ma wadong kere wa ber pe ma kar ma laj ma chuma pe area wa kombe da yo pi bio ya wi wa kele wa chuma o kele wa pi okay
chuma tie kaka en eto chuma ne ma baleo chuma ne pedan rego ye juju piano makai ni ka no ba chuma ta ka yo da ma mi ko ni pedan area ka nyo wen mo ko yo rego ma ria ko de baleo ki tele ria o baleo
Patrick Okedo won kom LC1 mechar ki chere matie Paicho Sub-County Igulu District tie ki gen ma tek tutad ni kony man ma ke miyo ki mon to enini obo konyo me jingo ker pa mon man yo me chentem
dong ma lupe ki kelu chuma man me kelo tin wero mon to ka chel ki lutien ki cher gi chuma ka la ko dugu chwak to twali ya to pari kon wa kwai ki da wa kwai to twali ni ka twe dok pi itwok ping mo kene me ato o mer be kel kilega na bere pa giri ya to ke ken alegu ni tuwa chwao duju mapat meri beta boluchi wa ko cher gut da to kilutien ki
ikar me mia tie chuma merego mago bot monto ben atube won kom LC2 me ato Hill Parish otero bene pero malutiano matino ikaber ma mege bene tie ka wot yem
kai ni watiki chuma ne chara chiele ka te gor watie no pole mo ba leo dar miera ke kanchi chen nyume te gor pian te gor kunu chuma metie miera ke kanchi chen te gor ato ke chen nongo inong ka rego piano ke ken jomo ken ma a ke teoja we dog da ruoro kuya piara to il diet ba da ruoro tu angaya jomo ken ma a ke chopil mier ke doge tung kuya chamo ken mier ko kar cher town unyo gudu ke gian gudu ke I sianta te gwa mano ti chuma be a chiele kan matika ti chi kelu chuma le eni uber tuan konyo ma dir de da ma o konyo community ti ma kan ma angeni urto ube konyo ma dir ma adon para me chuma pe ko ber tek tuan la
kitung chel fivi ayo matila do at pigamente bete der me Gulu District ma ene beno ter chuma bot monto magi otero ngomu weko ene tero chuma katiele ko monto me kabedo man
ada chigen go penyo ni akonyi ni gena chama chia biro kanya no giti organized kar eno mi gena chama mo manama nge genda kuluo ara yu mamegi koni waje ni geni tiga beru ka chiel eto gimiro gimo ma miero guti ka chiel charo group pa monto we o med kere chingi chinero ni eno era ilok machuma chake kere tida foilu ba ni matin uru ne ku wangu ni kelo chuma bodgi ma wiru sepe went jim ne odudi milion ngwen tana ngwen gitiki nero ni kagitiyu kere mabe ni jimu kere chake tuoni fu
ayo beno tero ni gen mo weka miyo kon kimon to mage aye no ni gin gitie dul magitio kilotela irom mat pat pan mameta ni mere kon game
Ara miyo chuma ni eni board ato Hill Widows Association.
chuma makimiyo kimonto me kabedo man utero 100 million angwen tone angwen man tie kien dul madongo tieko no kony kibod la do ot pigamete bete dero me Gulu district. Ismail Jacob Jones pi Wanluo Television Igulu district.
Ladit mamalo madoro Muni University Matia Rua City man Reverend Father Professor Efefani Adubuke Picho kitiko yeren me beladit mabotelo bidul papa di makiluongi ni Missionary of Jesus the Divine Master magitika tigankal gitia Rua City eno gitikon ke yup meliyo motu mabe odimeki i St. Monica Matia del Igulu City lauchpa Adubuke tigitit matek makonotime medewilo magitite dul papa di man mendir kabero makan mapat kia Rua City kamangiti berie kariman ento matut wanen kibot Robert Ojok Mone pe Wanluo Television.
Reverend Father Professor Epiphany Udubuke Picho la lobko chancellor mina machel Muni University ya Arua kitiro yero udogo la diet maloy dul makiluoni Missionaries of Jesus the Divine Masters Udubuke madong te Superior General Ugamo Tela Kibot Reverend Father Dr. Robert Leku Awiko ma en bitich pi mwaga bichiel inoni Udubuke ki yero ka kikuoene ni ndo apara bere do mabungwen midwe man yopoti meki St. Monica Girl Tailoring Center ki Gulu City.
Donc en lok papi gitego ne aye ubero lok kom tela ki lok kom chene ki lok kom no luo man bene fonyo woy ma bidugu pari ki woy ma bidugu brothers ge
inone ka choke mina madek padulpa Missionaries of Jesus the Divine Masters guyero joma bikonyo ko Udubuke chalo Reverend Father Richard Ben Richi Pasi, Reverend Father Dominic Tamale Anyanzo, Reverend Father Anthony Bomin kachiel ki Reverend Father Thomas Ulupot, Reverend Father Charles Idraku matila member me dulman wachi dulman tikadon uyoyot mamiro tela mati
ng'atie ubedo ni miero wanong yo ma watwero konyo gi kede pien luo mebedo nyo party mebedo nyo brother ubedo luo makire pat pien dano wenku matwero bedo party nyo twero bedo brother
kitungchel la sesedo Dr. Robert Leku Moberu Superior General ichiadek ikaro bwego tela wachi tela manyeni mit ni guti matek tutwale minongo luo mapol wek wel padi ki brothers mati te dulman omede.
I'm happy to hand the baton to him because for us in our community and in the Catholic Church, leaders come, leaders go, and based on the service, because we are rendering service.
Inori Dulman, Bishop Machon Melira, Caesar Asili, Ayo Chago, Ikiene Mwagali Bachel, Kimia Bungwen, Ki Pierre Boru Yario. Dulman Inge, Gu A, Gu Kobo, Gankal Gimadit Yarua, Ikarme Lweni Kin Mwaga Pierre Bungwen, Kiwie. Ikum Karni Inoni, Dulman tiki padi marom Pieru Adek brothers angwen kidong lumemba gimuken maroma para beach giti seminary kakwan idul mapapat dulpa Missionary of Jesus the Divine Masters inoni giti kaberu papat maromo aboro maweng nonge I West Nile P1 Luo TV and Robert Mone ki Gulu City.
Mbulu magiti kalake district ko katika loko kono ngoma kenene diyo kom gen wakenene benegino konyo jomo pat makemiro wake jinke armamiki geno bereka loko ne yume kwa nian pa bulu le bukulma ke gala chen pe district maro teme yupo teme gankal pa district me kalake matut wanen keyboard Michael Onye kama minister pe loko mteso beno beltie ko Norman Clement Kenneth Ngalo Bore obereka loko bulu ko telege magiti kalake district iyo marota kwa kedon kala la mekeme kwere karman machalo bulu magitilo wa Uganda.
Pongai me district mekalaki eno tiyo ko woto kokogi diki peto but jotel achia papatatia bumenti meneno be omoe pone me konyogi me weki wokun ikompekin apapata medagin kitiye dida kitie woto pekinigi di kwero chengi ogala me maker karachel kede cheng mi pongai ki wacho be toto gi mi pongai likamo maro paro gi ikom programs apapat oyutuno gi chen ameda obedo gi alia be gin ki kwao abumente meneno be oketo gi ya hika lung ameda abumente wokun kede me wek bero be tiene gida ki wokun ikom chan ame toto gi tiye
peko achiel mang'ate neno kede ponga sawana todo maro chacha wow tiruwa bala jebe jo akony gini bala ka utume kare meye liamo ne tiruwa bala jo apir gitek dodi ko do betume kare meye omito wasana piyer liamano kene yar wudo paka ikope amako apuganda o chacha wow o maro tero bala ja donge na pir gitek yo weko ipongai o mianga tikede kwach be apugan kono di yutuno iponga ida die konyo wa bala na celebrating chengere me iponga mage kono di omiyo wa kono di omemero ni wasente mewe kuri otimo chengi konyo wa menywa kupegni wa karachiel dioko
ango tin chunya yom pien cheng me iponga kare me wada nyuto pekere wan koko wabuta pogan pien chungo kede wa kara toto di bali ponga do di rem enamiyo wana tikede tim arache sawan mogo lo mere bala pugan me kalaki wan seta mo wudo me social grant alaki o wudo senta titi di buwa pugan ko timo gi arache me kwanyo seta limit tel wan chwai lo walo ko government itemiana na sana wan ya mokide ni iponga wan jo telwa le atwero paka bedo e meeting i sub county so mano tie peko aduong kalamo
dongata lubo tien won kom LC kany me district me kalaki Pascal Engwao eno wacho be iponga imogo enada lia paro lubo puonyere karachiel keda yika ameda abumenti miyogi.
Thank you so much. Ametokuona kama ikiwezi ipodi lia atimu auto blame the implementers or the technical person. Ametokuona kama be sawa nao tuniani yaro bede ponga do karamera rejik so bede ponga me nitokuona nito ibed focus nitokuona tubai ponga ya dokumu chen okuni kome bede centers kono neno be watimu no gimoro mirewa kiemwa most especially odobe wan tesakan kedia la tilo this household akira chelki kede lobo ametero gwe na gimoro yami tota me ponga pero be kito gwe lobe no ina bomora titi ni keo kede gwe bala tomora
Deputy Aradis Mekalaki Patrick Bosco Opio wacho be abumenti tie karachel kede ayika papat karachel kede programs balanat PDM emioga youth livelihood program karachel kede chia papat ame iponga idede pore udo bero yen.
You find that the government is really interested to find out the youth are not left out. There are so many projects and programs which are being run by the government, and of course expecting now the youth also to embrace all those kind of programs and to make sure that they should reap out of these programs. There are programs like right now at hand we have PDM, then from behind there we used to have a Myoga and so forth, and you find that the youth are definitely encouraged also to get embraced so that the livelihood of their kind of being youth should not be seen as people who are not the future leaders. And yet, for us in Uganda, and all Ugandans know that, especially this government, knows for sure that the youth are the real kind of owners of this country.
Opio wacho be pongai mogo peka mekitie kede en mechano donj ikoda yika ni en amioche mogo samoro kikei do abumenti paro pirgi. Michael Onyinge, P1 Luo TV, Ikalaki District.
Mapat kimelu chuan mogo chek magati Uganda kimer ki duok chen nyamolo kom tamak mer dok chek mamaklo kom nyom kidon ket pakeny makilwone mono marriage and divorce bill makon gitene ne ket ne matek mi kelo ye la ko dok chek ikarman matim ger ti mapol kin mon kicho la bolle kar makene ko langwej mate anyola Uganda ma ngwe Olympic man Rebecca Cheptegei makewa en kilo bo Kenya kamoto e kuno gin mauti mecha bira rio mukarangej kajot pa wan Luo TV Fred Kajubi Kelitam Palomemba Meot Mokochek Melubu Uganda. Lojuer Mokochek Magiti Mon Flavia Rabuhoro Kachil Kilawore Me Mawogola Southman MP Goreti Namuga Ukatika Chakataman Mate Kilok ni Monomit ni Kineni Kimeru Lokom Gwoko Twerpamon Magiti Lobu Uganda Kun En Ot Mokochek Kayokat Konyamani Katikechek Mabukonyo Timomani Yomopore.
Mr. Speaker, is about the Marriage Act. It's an ancient law. We cannot be talking about a law that I think is 1904. Honestly, we can't. And every time it comes to Parliament, it peeps and goes back. It peeps and goes back. But now that we seem to agree, both men and women, that men can kill women, women can kill men, domestic violence is real, I think it's high time we brought that bill here. It's high time we made amendments under that law, because we can't be working with a law of 1904.
That we need to really be serious now on the Marriage and Divorce Bill. The Marriage and Divorce Act, which exists, it is of 1904. Really? 1904, and we are still believing in that act? Are we serious? As a country, as a government, as governance? So the marriage governance has broken its banks. And so this becomes a disaster. In my district, last week we buried the 5th couple, where a man kills a wife and he also hangs himself. So now you kill a wife, why don't you stay? Because that's what you wanted. I thought you were trying to get rid of a problem, but if you also put yourself in the problem and you have to die with your wife so that the children can remain orphans, I think that becomes then very, very unfortunate. And that is what is on, not only in Uganda, but the whole world. There is a lot of violence now with the intimate people.
It is very unfortunate that gender-based violence is increasing in families. As a country, according to the Uganda Police Report case, court on gender-based violence, we have 14,681 cases of domestic violence. Those have been reported. And 1,500 cases have been taken to court. That is a percentage of only 10%. This shows that most cases are not taken to court. So what happens to these cases that remain at police? And there's those women, 90% of women don't go to police because they fear of being ashamed. Secondly, for some of these cases that have been taken to court, justice is not given to those who have reported. So I appeal to the courts of Uganda, the courts of justice. Kindly give attention to these cases, because this is the delay in the court system is the reason as to why some of us, the population, has resorted to non-judicial remedies. People have ended up killing each other. People have ended up, killing their husbands and wives. So let us ensure that when cases are brought to police, justice is given and in time.
Tebuk nyoro ping malik total e mwa alibere piario tim gero ber mapul o yer ki percent piru bungwen da bero koko aliba pawi abiro mia bichele ki Pierre Bichel Uyangwen, ke porgi aliba paradek, mia Bichel ke Pierre Bungwen Uyadek, Mauberuti Mwali Bario kia para Bungwen. Medeko meno percent Pierre Beru ya Rio Panyol Uganda, pekete kitni ye maikeni la choto ati tiger matek, memi yo food onyo bene, neno kitme dwayo widaone ping. Geni mono chek mate kar mane lokom nyom kilwoni mono Marriage Act magikero mwaka libachel mia bongwen kiangwen doti matek dok peti yo ikom kiet manyom magitikwere e karni enim. Kadibet Komano MP Melwemi Yaga County Theodore Sechigubo owani mono mete patim ger me ot pekono tie pieni mono chek pere ento tie pejem moken mapol mateka time bene ikonkuo padano.
Violence is violence. Whether there is a good law or bad law, there is no way you can say there are shortcomings in the existing law that enables or that facilitates violence. Not. Because violence itself is criminal. There are criminal provisions even in other legislations available. It's criminal. So this violence, I think, as a country, we must come to grips with the vice of violence in our domestic relations. Whether that can be solved by amending the law is a different matter. But I think we need closer attention, to pay closer attention to the provisions of the law, but most importantly, the law enforcement agencies, the social support systems have to be in place. By the time one realizes he has committed violence, the situation is already done.
Machelo nyamolok tie kin luchu yon moko chek melo Uganda gen mero nongola gamma dong belo mechopo tim ger me ot piani karman tika meda dong mer la gamo yor twal. Gendo te orocho nyamolo kamtama ke mirno dok chek ma oboneno kit me keto maleng to twalo kore kidong ngo matie ikom nyum ket pakeny kidong poke ka achel ki ubedo ki wat kin cho kimon ma oboneno mabeto twal kit me gwako dano magiti ot nyuma kunyume onyombera mokene mafurgitika winya ma pilo gange mo chwiny e Walu television Fred Kajubi. Afuena na report meno keloya giki yupilo gange mo chwinye tin kanki Walu television opo yini mono peking na yup madit diriti ni na mekwero bulo bokulu kar pekwero kuch obotime ba ka undergrounds matie Gulu City obochaka cha wadek mo dikolo chulpe yupman ayadul makilu gini mono Foundation for Justice and Development Initiative magitie kubobero pink achile gankal palo Sweden i Uganda yo botime iba kari ndo benyorati yupman kore e Walu television peking na yubman chake chawa adek modiko ania Sunday akumu mete kinana Walu television tum chabiti obet mabe.